welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this makeup look. I use those LED lights that change colors, and it's basically like doing makeup in the dark. You don't really know what the heck you're doing. But anyways, I tried some bright colors to just play and have fun with to see what would show up on the different light settings and what wouldn't. So that is why we have some red, we have some blue, green, we have some purple. But anyways, stay tuned and keep watching. I'm just going to use my CC cream. And I'll change the lights in the middle of it. It's kind of a gloomy day. It is like midday, so I was probably supposed to do this at night, but since it's rainy, I thought it's not really sunny. I can throw some blankets over the windows, and because my curtains are sheer. I can't really see anything, so I don't know if this is like, I don't know if this is like covered good or not. Can't really tell. Okay, so now let's take some of the Clinique powder. Just gonna take a fluffy brush and kind of set that foundation in, and hopefully if I miss some spots, this will just kind of blend it in, because I literally feel like I'm doing my makeup in the dark, so can't really tell what the heck I'm doing. All right. Okay. I don't get makeup on my cute shirt. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's American flag lips. Little lipstick print. Okay, I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette since it has a lot of rainbow colors. And they don't have names on them, so I don't really know. But I feel like I can kind of tell what they look like. So, who knows? Might not be doing this right. So, anyways, let's just get started and see what happens. Guess I'll do one eye, and then I will do the other eye in a different color, like with a different color light, so maybe we can see some difference. I watched James Charles video on it, and that's what he did. So yeah, I literally can't see anything. So on this eye, it doesn't look like any. Jaclyn Hill JH36 brush. I'm just gonna put one of these red looking colors on there, which is probably definitely not gonna show up since the lights are red. This Sigma E52 brush, and I'm gonna put one of these kind of bronzy looking glitters on it. Let's see what that looks like. Probably should have tried to do like more purpley, you know, but oh well. I could try to do two different colors on, like one eye one way and one eye the other way, and just kind of see what it looks like. Okay, so let me change the colors and we'll see here. I'll do one side of my face contoured to see what it's gonna look like. This kind of looks purple, this brush, in this lighting. That's kind of crazy. I'm just using the Sculpt bronzer by Tarte. I can't really tell what that looks like. Hopefully it's not super dark. It kind of looks like it, but I can't really tell. Alright. Another blue, and I cannot even see. Dude. Okay, that does better. My eye does look black, and it looks like I got it all right here. I don't feel like my contour looks that bad, This side looks like it doesn't have anything though, and this does, so. But my eye definitely looks like I may have a black eye. So red is not not your friend. Oh man, I got bad fallout too. So the blue you can definitely see better in. Okay, let me wipe this off my hand before I get all over my shirt. So, don't really know what the heck. Since I can see that, I guess I'll fix that. I'm gonna take the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I didn't even put concealer on. I just had the Becca eye bright stuff. Dude, this is so freaking hard to freaking see. I don't even know if y'all can see. Don't even know if y'all can see. I wonder if I move the lights down. Y'all can see. Because they're up high right now. So that's this one. I have them in my makeup vanity. Okay, let me cut these off real quick and move them down and see if that helps. I don't even know if that helped or made it worse. I don't know. Okay. Where's my sponge? Oh. It's hard to see because it's blue. Okay, so that made that look better. So you can see the red tones with the blue. Alright, let's see. Go in with just some neutral brown real quick like I did the other eye. Then I might try to do some blue since it won't show up, and then see what it looks like in the green. I'm gonna use this color. I don't even know if you can see it. It's kind of like a bluish green. I use that shade beside it that is shimmery. I'm just gonna go right below that. Okay. It's pink usually, but it looks white. So just this glitter right here. I don't know if you can even see it. But that way this one will be real sparkly. This one definitely looks dark in this lighting, and then this one looks very light. But I feel like in real life, they both will be kind of like in your face. So let me put on some blush with the blue, and then I'll put on the green and see what it looks like. This is just the Tangled Floating Lights blush. You get it from ColourPop. It's usually a really pretty pink. I don't even see anything showing up right now. Okay. All right, let's change the lights to green and see what is happening. So this is green. I'm not really telling a whole lot from this. I mean, this eye definitely looks dark. And that one looks like it don't even have anything on it. Can't see the blush still. I'm probably gonna put a little more bronzer right in there since you cannot see it. Then I like to take a little bit on my nose. So, I guess all that's left to do is lips, eyeliner, mascara, and then highlight. Let's see what color highlight we could do. This is the Carly Bible palette. This one usually looks kind of purpley, And then these are usually more gold. They all look kind of white right now. Put the purpley one on my Cupid's bow and chin, forehead, nose, and then I put this one is usually more pinky. I put that on my cheekbones. I'm gonna go in with the one that's more gold and go back over the bridge of my nose because it usually looks better when it's a little bronzy, like how when people put blush on their nose. So this will be like a highlight, but it also has a little bit of color to it. Might as well rub that up my forehead too, and maybe chin. Do a little eyeliner. I feel like the green is the brightest. Like the red and the blue made me feel like I was doing my makeup in the actual dark, but the green I can see a little bit better. And I think I like this eye better. I don't even know if my eyeliner is on right. Okay, let's pop on some mascara and throw on a lip color. Since you're supposed to play with like bright colors, we'll do this one. This is ColourPop's Lippy Sticks and Brills. It's the satin finish. It's usually like a light purple. I've only wore it like one time because I don't really like super bright colors on my lips, but why not? Okay, so let's just pop on some of this Lash Princess mascara since it's my new one. Wait, let me do one more thing. I'm gonna put some color underneath. Let's use this Frozen palette, and I'm gonna use this shade. It's usually kind of a taupey color, but it looks kind of green in this lighting because of the green light. This little smudger brush. Usually I just go about halfway. I usually don't take it all the way to the inner corner, just kind of midways. It's not crazy that I feel like I can't see my blush, but I know I put some on. Alright, so let's do this lip. Like it don't even, I don't know in the camera if you can tell what color it is, but in me looking at it right now, it looks brown. Alright, so let's cut the lights back on and see what we're working with. That bad. I mean, obviously I probably wouldn't go out like this because it's very bright and different. I'm getting Harley Quinn vibes with the whole, like, I know she's pink and blue, but this one's like red, and then this one's blue, and then the purple lips. And as you can see, I do have blush on. I took it up way too high than I normally would, but you couldn't see it, so it's like way up here, but overall everything looks fine. I should have ran my foundation down my neck because as you can see it is white down there, but other than that, I mean, I really don't look that bad. This is a vibe, but I don't think I'd go out like this for real. Like maybe both eyes blue or both eyes red, but not one blue and one red. As you can see, this lip color is very, very purpley. In the video it did not look like that, and my eye, this eye and the blue and green light didn't look very vibrant, but as you can see it is very vibrant. And then this eye didn't look vibrant in the red, but obviously in the blue and green it almost looked black because it was so dark. So it's crazy what a little color change, little light illusion, light reflection can do. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.